In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel site. Before we begin, make sure you have a Vercel account, a domain registered at GoDaddy, and a project that's already deployed on Vercel. That way, when we attach the domain, it can point to a live site right away. It also helps to know whether you want to use the root domain, like example.com, a subdomain such as app.example.com, or both. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Vercel website. Sign in with your email and complete the login flow. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right corner and select Add New. From the menu that appears, choose Domain. This takes you to the place where you can manage domains for your Vercel account or team. Next, pick Add Existing Domain. This option tells Vercel that you already own the domain with another provider, like GoDaddy. In the input field, type the exact domain you want to connect. Be precise here. Spelling and punctuation matter. If you plan to use the Apex domain, enter it without to. If you prefer www, add that subdomain. You can add additional aliases later, but start with the primary one you want live. After you submit the domain, Vercel will prompt you to connect it to one of your deployed projects. Select the project that should serve your production site and confirm. If you're working within multiple teams or accounts, double-check you're in the correct workspace. If the project doesn't appear, make sure it has at least one successful deployment. At this stage, Vercel may ask you to verify ownership or update DNS settings. You'll see clear, copyable values for the records you need to create at GoDaddy, typically a CNAME for subdomains or an alias record for the root, and sometimes a TXT record for verification. Open your GoDaddy DNS settings in another tab, add exactly what Vercel shows, and save. Keep the host and value fields identical to Vercel's instructions, including any trailing dots, and leave TTL at its default unless you have a specific need. Return to Vercel and use the verification or refresh option. DNS propagation can take a bit, often a few minutes, sometimes up to 2 hours. Avoid making repeated changes while you wait, as that can slow things down. Once verification completes, you'll see the domain marked as active on your project. Visit the domain in your browser to confirm it loads over HTTPS. If you see a pending certificate message, give it a little time. Vercel issues certificates automatically. And that's it. You've connected your GoDaddy domain to your Vercel site, linked it to a deployed project, and set yourself up for a reliable, secure production URL.